Google Search Console helps you understand the relationship between your website and Google search results. So think of it as a peek into what's actually happening on the search engine results pages. Now keep in mind, especially today, there's all sorts of other ways that people could be finding you, but this is one nice way to really understand what's actually happening out there. And what I'm going to show you here is how to set up your account. Now, what you can see here is sort of the end product, but I'm going to jump into a new page here, into account where I don't have access to any properties. So they call a website a property. So what you'll end up doing, you'll you just Google Search Console, and you'll land on a page potentially like this, or it'll say to set up a new account. And when you get to this type of view, you want to add a property. You click Add Property. You're presented with two different options. So domain on the left is great if you have access to your DNS. It's a little bit more involved and maybe intimidating for some people. If you don't, the URL prefix property on the right is totally fine. You do just need to make sure you include www or exclude www. So go and look at your website URL and see which one you are using, and then you'll want to make sure that you put that here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in for my site right here. I'm going to hit continue. It's going to present you with a couple options on this next page of ways that you can verify ownership of the property, or at least access to the property. So automatically it did this for me since I have access to Google Analytics. You may encounter a situation where you have a couple other options as well. It may give you the ability to verify with Google Tag Manager. With this, maybe adding a little HTML snippet to your page. So there are a couple different ways, but once that's verified, you'll be able to go to the property and see all of the information in here. So if it's been set up in the past, you'll just have immediate access to all of this. If it has not been set up in the past, you may see a message here saying that it needs some time to gather the data. So that's how you set that up. I'm not going to go through everything in here. There's a variety of options and settings that you have. If you are a verified owner, you can see that here. These are those other verification methods that I was talking about. So you could upload an HTML file. You could add an HTML tag to your homepage if you know how to do that. So for example, if you're on Squarespace or something like that, there's a place where you could put code snippets in the header. WordPress sometimes may offer similar things. Or if you have, again, Google Tag Manager, you have the ability to do that as well. So if you're in Google Analytics already and you're an admin on that, then that probably will auto-verify that for you.